This can be your best video in search of original working rice water recipe to reverse gray hair as well as to promote stronger, thicker and new hair growth. The recipe is made 100% exactly as Yao Women are doing that gave them the hair of Rapunzels. All the Yao Women have jet black hair which is longer, thicker and stronger. The secret is the original rice water recipe that prevents gray hair and promotes hair regrowth. Let's see how to make an authentic rice water as made by the Yao Woman. First, start with a ceramic jar or glass jar or earthenware pot. Don't use plastic or metal pots. I'm using a pitcher-sized glass jar. Take 2 cups of sticky white rice. You can use jasmine rice or normal white rice for this purpose. Now carefully add 2 cups of rice into the jar. Now we need 1/4 cup of chopped ginger. We need to chop ginger into slightly bigger pieces like this. Add this 1/4 cup of chopped ginger into the glass jar. Ginger activates hair follicles by improving blood circulation to the scalp. Now we need fresh orange peels. I have collected these from 4 small oranges. Add these fresh orange peels into the jar. The orange peels have variety of antioxidants that keeps the scalp away from free radical damage. Take 5 green tea bags. If you have green tea leaves, take 1/4 cup of green tea leaves. Yes, Yao Woman put green tea into the rice water. Toss in these 5 green tea bags. Adding green tea acts as a topical DHT blocker and prevents hair loss due to androgenetic activity. Now add 4 cups of fresh water. Remember the ratio is 1:2. For 2 cups of rice, we are adding 4 cups of water. Mix all these contents with a wooden or ceramic spoon. To this, add 5 drops of rosemary oil. Yao Women use thyme leaves or sage leaves, but if you don't have them, you can use rosemary essential oil. Just add 5 drops. That's all. The rice water is ready for fermentation. You need to keep it outside at room temperature for 3 days if you are living in warm climate. If you are living in cold climate, keep it for 5 days to ferment fully. After 3 days, the water is fully fermented. You may think that the fermented water doesn't smell good, but in this case, the smell is masked by the fragrance of orange peels, ginger, and rosemary oil. You will love this smell. Mix it thoroughly once again. Now, there are 2 ways to use this. Number 1. Strain the contents into a glass jar like this. First, shampoo your hair and rinse off with fresh water. Now, slowly pour the fermented rice water on top of the hair. Gently massage and keep soaking the scalp. Do it for 5 minutes. Now rinse off again with fresh water. This is called rinsing with rice water. This is what Yao Women exactly do. Keep the excess rice water in the fridge for later use. The second way is to strain the contents into a spray bottle like this and spray it all over the scalp and hair. You should fully soak your hair and scalp. You can optionally wrap your head with a towel. After 15 minutes, wash away. If you do this, you will get an amazing, extraordinary results. You will soon realize your hair growing longer and thicker. Thanks to Yao Woman for the recipe. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.